Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside some of the most luxurious homes across the United States. Today, we're stepping into a stunning $4,700,000 Studio City mansion, a beautifully reimagined 1971 Spanish property transformed into a modern, organic retreat. Inspired by Tulum resorts, this home blends natural stone, stucco plaster, and white oak throughout, offering a perfect balance of elegance and relaxed California living. From the moment you approach the property, you'll notice the grand entryway framed by a wide staircase and a modern entry gate. Lush landscaping and resort-style greenery set the stage for a home that truly feels like a private escape. The drone view gives you a complete perspective of the property, showcasing the saltwater pool, outdoor kitchen, and spacious backyard with breathtaking canyon views. Every angle highlights the luxury and attention to detail in this one-of-a-kind residence. Walking through the front doors, the home welcomes you with open, airy spaces filled with natural light. The formal living room is a masterpiece of design, featuring fluted arched fireplaces, elegant seating in brown and red tones, and silver accents that reflect a sophisticated yet cozy vibe. The open layout seamlessly connects the living room to the dining area, where a large dining table invites gatherings with family and friends. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. White oak cabinetry, stone countertops, and a massive island provide both style and functionality. Modern appliances meet timeless design, and the adjacent pantry ensures everything stays organized while maintaining the luxurious feel of the home. Beyond the kitchen, the family room opens up to large windows, offering uninterrupted views of the backyard, the pool, and the canyon beyond. This home also features a stylish home office perfect for remote work or private study. Every space is designed with functionality in mind while keeping the aesthetics consistent with the rest of the home. A powder room, secondary bedrooms, and a convenient laundry area complete the main floor, all following the same modern, organic theme. Upstairs, the private quarters are designed to offer comfort and serenity. The secondary bedrooms are spacious, each with its own ensuite bathroom, plenty of natural light, and elegant finishes. But the true centerpiece is the primary suite, a sanctuary in itself. With a luxurious ensuite, expansive dressing room, and private balcony, it combines relaxation and sophistication. Red, brown, and silver accents create a warm yet luxurious atmosphere, perfectly complementing the Tulum-inspired design. Stepping outside, the backyard is a resort-style paradise. The saltwater pool glistens under the California sun, surrounded by lush gardens and outdoor seating areas. The poolside swing offers a perfect spot to relax, while the outdoor kitchen and dining area make entertaining a dream. From sunrise to sunset, this property is designed for enjoyment and comfort. The garage houses luxury vehicles, reflecting the high-end lifestyle this home offers. The modern gym provides a private space for fitness, while the overall design ensures that every part of the property feels connected yet distinct. The drone view captures the full scale of the 13,000 square feet flat lot, giving a sense of openness and freedom that's rare in Los Angeles. American Dream Mansions is proud to showcase homes like this, where every detail, from the elegant staircases to the stunning pool, the chic interiors, and the canyon views, combines into a cohesive, luxurious living experience. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your dream home or simply enjoy exploring architectural masterpieces, this Studio City mansion is a must-see. From the moment you arrive, at the entry gate to the panoramic views from the balcony, every inch of this home reflects careful planning, high-end design, and a dedication to modern luxury. The combination of natural materials, warm textures, and open spaces ensures this house isn't just a home, it's an experience. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more inside looks at some of the most incredible homes across the country. From luxurious Los Angeles estates to modern architectural wonders, we bring you closer to the dream lifestyle you've always imagined.